It's a fact. You can save more time and money by changing what's under the spindle, not on it. And Jergens work holding solutions make it easy. Our quick change fixturing solutions are powerful tools that dramatically shorten setup times and increase your productivity. Compared to traditional methods, Jergens quick change fixturing reduces setup times by up to 90%, and that's a lot more uptime for your machine. But don't just take our word for it, see for yourself. We compared the time it takes to complete the same setup using 2 work holding methods: manually indicated locating and mounting, and Jergens ball lock system. Ball lock is the industry's original quick change fixturing system, using shanks, receivers, fixture plates, and subplates to quickly and accurately locate fixtures to machine tables. Setting up with a traditional vise can be a time-intensive process. Time your spindle could be cutting, not waiting to cut. On the left, the operator is going to set up a traditional vise. He'll position it, install the studs and nuts, manually indicate the position, lock it down, install parallels and parallel keepers, clamp down the workpiece, and probe the part. On the right is the Jergens ball lock system. Once you pre-install ball lock receiver bushings into your subplate or fixture plate, you can easily mount a vise without indicating. To set up, the operator simply installs ball lock shanks in the jigsaw base of the vise and tightens them down with a hex key. Then, he loads the parts to be machined and he's ready to go. Plus, the ball lock vise holds 2 parts at once, eliminating the need for an extra setup and making your work even more efficient. On your marks, get set, go. So what's the bottom line? The savings add up when you compare mounting a vise equipped with the ball lock system to a traditional vise. As you can see, Jergens ball lock system delivers dramatic savings. Save critical shop time, build capacity, and realize significant savings under the spindle with Jergens ball lock quick change fixturing system.